have some more breaking inputs coming in that Rajinikanth is now all set to start the party from Madurai. Sources say that Rajinikanth is following the announcement on December 11th, 31st, in fact, will conduct a public gathering in Madurai where he will launch the party and the start of his party as well. In fact, district cadres have already been actively consulted with meetings held in the last 2 days. Sources say that most likely he will start the party launch in Madurai. So, Apurva, this is what we have been anticipating for several days now, and there was speculation about whether he will be holding a Madurai rally as well. But now sources state that Rajinikanth will also start his party from Madurai.
Well, that's right. In fact, Rajinikanth, all eyes are on Rajinikanth over the last couple of weeks, ever since his birthday on December 12th. And, he had also announced on the start of this month that he will be making an announcement on December 31st on the launch of his political party. In fact, just day before yesterday, we had also broken that Rajinikanth, most likely the dates for when he will be starting his party is towards Pongal next year in January, that is either on January 14th or January 17th or January 21st. These are the 3 dates that we were also given as a notification by sources. And in fact, several rounds of discussions have been going on between the Rajini Makkal Mandaram cadres over the last 2 weeks. In fact, with the preparations on full swing for the superstar to announce the launch of his political party.
Right.
What we are learning now is that most likely there is expected to be a Manadu, which is a general gathering, a public gathering that is expected. There were locations which were marked either for Tiruchi or Madurai, but we are learning right now that it is most likely in Madurai that this public gathering will be.
In fact, Apurva, we are seeing in a way this is a four-way battle that we are witnessing ahead of the Tamil Nadu assembly polls. Now we are seeing Kamal Haasan that has kicked off the second leg of his campaign trail. Now DMK chief M.K. Stalin has also kicked off, and more news coming in for Rajinikanth. So clearly there has been speculation of whether or not Rajinikanth and Kamal Haasan might come together. So what are we expecting in the next few weeks will be of utmost importance as far as the assembly elections in Tamil Nadu is concerned?
Well, that's right. In fact, Kamal and Rajini are not only seasoned actors, but they have also been very vocal over the last couple of years. In fact, that they wanted to bring a change into Tamil Nadu. In fact, Kamal's party and his campaign mission and the campaign theme is reinventing Tamil Nadu. Siramaipom Tamil Nadu is what Kamal Haasan's campaign trail is all about, where he has talked about wanting to bring in a $1 trillion economy for Tamil Nadu and giving a corruption-free Tamil Nadu is what Kamal Haasan has been saying.
So all
over the last
on the campaign trail. It's certainly a four-way battle that we are witnessing ahead of the Tamil Nadu assembly. Many thanks, Apurva, for getting us the latest as far as both Rajinikanth and the campaign trail is concerned.